So I brought these with me. Because I need to have myself. Now I'm going to wash. Bring it back. Yeah, put it in there. Alright, so I'm going to be washing my clothes. Let me get some. Don't touch that. So while done, and Elisha puts up the furniture, I will be, actually the bed, yes. So I will start washing. Let me organize these clothes quickly. We have 2 rubbish bags of clothes. Because we've been here a week and about 3 days now. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, a week and 4 days. So we have a lot of dirty clothes that we accumulate. And so I need to wash them. This is why I'm not sure I'm going to have some soap powder that I'm going to use. I brought these with us. And I'm going to just put some in there. I should bring a bucket. You know, I was going to bring a bucket. I need a bucket. I'll probably buy another bucket like this, my bucket, and use it. So I can have something like this, but I think I should get something a bit bigger so I can use to like store the soap powder, because when we were in America we had the Home Depot big bucket and we store soap powder in it. But I'm going to scrub these clothes. I am hot. I have a bag here with some clothespin. I purchased this. I purchased about 4 packs. This should be enough. And I get 2 brushes. So, yeah. What is in the clothes over there? So I'm going to just start brushing. I need to hurry up so I can get things done, because I'm going to be over here until about 6, yeah, 6-ish, done as well. And I need to get the clothes start washing while Don is doing whatever he's doing around here. So let me start wash. Yeah. Hey, this water hot. Like the hot water was running. Check steamer. Wait, give me a second. Wait. What is it?
You can pass me a, what do you call it? You, go in your house, like, move your house.
Yeah, soon. I'll be there. I'm trying to hurry. You want to keep me company? You want to stay with me?
Yeah.
Listen, the water hot. I didn't even realize it. See, like it was a hot water. So I can just place through her clothes and then put the next set. Listen, the heat in Jamaica is so hot. Oh my gosh. dry. It's not gonna take that long.
Man. Huh?
No, don't come over with this stuff.
No, I'm just looking.
Yeah, baby.
I know, I'm just looking.
These are breaking up. Wait, wait. Wait, come here. Come here. Don't do that. Here. Don't be put. It's a no one. Here, hold it. Wait, here. You're going to help me. Oh, Jesus. No, I'm tired, like, seriously.
See, Molly.
Wow, these are drying already. Can you imagine?
Yes, it's busting.
Stop it, please. My back hurts.
Okay, but. Hey, stop.
Tired. Come, Alex and Johnny, close. look horrible. I'm so tired. It's hot. And I just want to hurry up. I have somewhere. I don't think I'm going to do this. I'm going to finish the clothes. I can't. I'm exhausted. Whew. I'm really exhausted. Hey, Elijah. It's a lot. Do you think I'm almost done? Look at the rest of it.
Oh, it's not bad.
It's not bad?
Alright,
Listen, it is a lot to wash clothes with your hand.
yeah.
It's a lot, yeah. Right, Dan? Can't have a bundle of dirty clothes. I don't like seeing dirty clothes. I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm going to take a break. I have a few bit more to rinse out, and then I'm taking a break. Soak some underwear for Dan and Elijah, and I am just taking a break. I don't have much to rinse. I like washing with my hands. And you spend hours washing, make your finger all shriveled. I don't like it, to be honest with you. And it's hot. I open the window, but in here it keeps shutting. It keeps shutting for some reason. And so I have a few bit more. I'm just gonna rinse them and I'm done for the day. Soak some underwear, wash them out. And the front set of clothes, the first set of clothes, almost finished drying. So I don't think I'm going to do anything more. I'll come back probably next week sometime, Tuesday, to finish up. The line now.
My boxy man.
And yeah. What happened to this clothespin? Like, seriously? Okay. I think these are ready. No, not the pants. Look, the clothespin them broke up. What pattern is this? Yeah. But the day is beautiful. I'm gonna leave them out here for a little bit longer because the day is still bright. You okay? Huh? Yeah. You cold? It's windy, it's not cold. Yeah, it's beautiful, lovely day. Alexandra, clothes in the back. They've been out here for a while. I took up some. They're supposed to be dried now. And yeah, I just need them to get some more breeze. Then I'll take them down. I'm gonna feel this one. Oh no, this is almost dry. But I think back here, yeah, it look like these are dry. My gosh. Yeah, leave it. These are dry. Some of them, this section, so I don't know. The back one's probably dry. Yeah. So, look, so I have a lot of dirty clothes. Gosh, I'm exhausted. And by the time I finish washing and rinsing the other set, those should be dry. I wish the clothesline was a bit stiffer because it seemed to be hanging. I don't know how the longer clothes are going to fit on it, but it's okay. I tried to fit them on the top end where that other pants is, but they're going to be drying very, very soon. My clothes are dry already. It's a beautiful day.
You know, I knew how to do this. You said I got the Coleman on my shirt.
The clothes, I just took off the line.